This is the main elevator at the Days Inn in Niagara Falls, Ontario. I think this is either on Ferry Street or Victoria Avenue. It's one of those two streets. This one's identical to the ones at the Days, Howard Johnson, which is one of the neighboring hotels, as these are still the original cabs. Here it comes. This one's similar to the other elevator right here, but it has a single slide door and it does not go to 7th, but it goes to the basement. I think it's on the lobby right now. Here it comes. Here it is. Okay, 7. I'm not going to lobby because this elevator is near the front desk. Here's 7. Two. No phone. Capacity is 1135 kilograms. I assume it's the same for the Howard Johnson. Overall, it's a very nice elevator, but there's no emergency phone, which I particularly don't like. Here we are 2. Montgomery Interlock. There it goes, and that's it.